Hi, good morning, guys. This is SK. I hope you all did very well landing up in green yesterday. I did pretty well. So let's see what we have today. Like we have been discussing about the pullback coming very soon, and right now there is no blue trend lines. There is no blue trend lines, neither in the top, neither in the bottom. So that means the channel is gone. Right now, this pullback, this guy can get very, very deeper here. But before this, we might. Okay, let me just do this. Let me like this. Okay. Right now, like this pullback, this is looking very strong, but we have a nested support here. This was the 2011 is our breakout point from this, and we retested that in 2004, and the support is 1994, and the pullback can get up to 1966. As of now, whatever, I think we can retest 2011 or 2004. Bounce can come from anywhere here. Anywhere we can see an aggressive bounce, and the next bounce will be getting sold. Remember, the next bounce will get sold here. We do have targets above. This is one target, two, target three, and this green trend line. There are chances that we do not test the green trend line and we go down. But the next bounce here will get short here. Let me do that. I mean, this weekly breakout was so strong that even if this get up to 1966, this will be a 50% pullback or maybe less, and then it'll go for the next leg up and retest this. We have to retest this, and then we're gonna go for the next leg down. As of now, I'm not as bearish. The next pullback, next bounce, I will be shorting this market. Now I will 100% be shorting this market. Yesterday evening, when I came back, I bought some UVXY, which I will be selling today morning. I believe I made some good 1 point gain on that. So right now, I will start accumulating some UVXYs, some SQQQs, or I will buy some puts. So slowly and steadily, let's say if I'm buying 100 UVXY, I will buy 10. I will not go 100, so that even if I go higher, I should be able to scale in. Up to this green trend line, my position size will not go above 50 or 60, because I need to we might retest this. I need to scale it in. It's not for somebody who cannot manage this trade. If you're a day trader, just go for day trader. We will get a chance when this will be a flush out. Right now, this thing can get something like this. You saw this, we saw a pullback, we saw a bounce, we saw a pullback, we saw a bounce, and we saw a flush. So, something like that will be happening here. We will see a bounce here for sure. That bounce will get sold. I will be selling that bounce. I mean, how beautiful was that blue trend line we had in 4 hour, which was working like a magic. Let me do this here very quick. As of now, I think bulls will buy this at the open, and they will try to look at the any bounce. But any bounce right now, to be bullish, we need to trade above 2048 for the next targets above. And right now, any bounce will get sold for the next leg down. Any bounce. How I will trade today? Right now we are near to 2011, which is our support. We are near 2004, which is our support. We are near 1994, which is near our support. Anything, any pullback towards these levels, will give us a, I'm sorry guys, will give us an aggressive bounce here, and that bounce will give us somewhere near 2048, somewhere, or you can say 2029 and 2048, some kind of a bounce here, but that bounce will get sold. Open, I don't think that we will see a kind of a flush. I think we will see some kind of a bounce here. We will see some kind of a early buying here, and with that buying, we can see either the sell-off to 2004 or 1994 or further down, or we can see a buying to retest to 2048 or 2029 to retest that. After testing that, we go for the next leg down. Overall, I mean, like, there have been a chance, in the back. Let me do that. I mean, if you see here, we didn't, over here, we didn't test the green trend line. Over here, we didn't test the green trend line. Maybe there is a chance that we will not be testing this green trend line. We will test once and go for the breakout. We can get a deeper pullback. But this has been an overextended rally. This pullback was very, very overdue. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, so there is a chance that we can get a deeper pullback here. Next 2 days profit taking for all these guys. It's right now a profit taking time. If we didn't saw a buying here today, then it will get ugly. Then this guy will get very ugly. So overall, we need to focus on 3 points: 2011, 2004 and 1994. We should get some kind of a bounce here. If not at 1994, then we are testing 1996. So what the best you can do is, it's like 2004 and 11 is like 5-6 points. It's better to scalp, or it's better to lock your profits good, lock your profits right away, because bounce do not tell you before coming. It'll just come. Bounce will come and it will take all of your money. The same way what happened here. We saw a pullback, we thought it's going down, but we saw some kind of a trading range here and a breakout, pullback, trading range and a breakout. And this was a pullback. We thought something, we tested the breakout and we go for the next leg up. Right now we can test these levels, but bounce is coming. That bounce will get sold. That bounce, I'm going to short that bounce, and I'm gonna manage it right. So at the open, there are chances that we can bounce here. Let's do that. There are chances that we can bounce from any of these levels. So I'm looking, as a day trader, I'm looking for the bounce early morning, and after that a sell-off. We have these kind of tails happening here. So I believe we can see a bounce, but we do not have any bull body yet. So the first bounce will be not a second entry long, it will just be a bounce. So we need to be long with the second entry, but I believe that before we see the second entry, we might test 2004 or 1994. So good luck everybody. Trade with open mind. I will be looking at 15 to 30 minute candle before, even if I take any trade today. Anyhow, I have to go out with my daughter, so I might not trade. If I didn't like the setup, I will not trade. So trade wise, trade small. Look for the setup, look for the support. You see that blue trend line have made so much money for us. Something, right now it's more of a support and resistance. We are near the support, we are near the bear target, so we will take the bear target first before we go up. Bulls will come around 2011, bulls will come around 2004, because overall in a bigger picture we are in a bull trend. But bulls, let me do that very quick. But bulls have to lock their profit. It's been overextended. The weekly guys, look at this weekly chart. The weekly guys, whoever bought after here, this was a second entry. After this, they have made almost 100 points. They need to make some profit. How they will make profit? By locking their profit. So these guys will be locking their profit. And some aggressive bulls, those who are always buying, they will buy the pullbacks and they will go for the next leg up, which is this target or anywhere this target. So good luck everybody. Trade wise, trade small. Overall, pullback was due, but this first pullback will give us, this is a first entry shot. So we never short at first entry. We go with the second entry short as we go with the second entry long. So right now the bounce will get sold. I will sell the bounce and let's make money. Good luck guys. Bye bye.